Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been way too long since I've made my last and only video on this channel. For those of you who have not seen me before, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing 3 different types of wireless earbuds. They're all basically influenced by the Apple AirPods, but they're a lot cheaper. And these work with both Android and iPhone. And they're all around the $30 price mark on Amazon. A couple of these actually had coupons for, I think one was 10% off and one was 25% off. Okay, let's check these out. So I'll start with this one since it was already opened. Nothing special about the unboxing experience here. Pretty simple box. A little bit of information. Oh, I guess that's all information. And then right inside you get the pill-shaped case. Underneath you've got a user manual. Also came with a charging cable, which I removed. It's a USB Type-C. And then inside the case are those earbuds which resemble the Apple AirPods a lot. Next I've got these from Aukey True Wireless Earbuds. Pretty simple box. Not really much information. It's a T21 style. So you've got your case right here. Slightly boxier shape compared to the pill shape. And looks like you have your AirPods in here. Your earbuds in here, sorry. These have the ear tips on them. So if we go in here, there's going to be another charging cable. This one looks like this is micro USB, not USB Type-C this time. Quick start guide. Pretty cool sticker. What is this? Warranty. Is it also a sticker? And then your full user manual. And then you've got your ear tips here. So these look like the large ones. These are probably the smalls, and they usually come with the medium already installed. And last but not least, we've got these T10 styles from Tozo. This has a little bit more information. As you can see, it comes with 4 different size ear tips, cables. I'm actually not sure what that is. We'll see when we open the box. The case and the earbuds. All the specs on the back, I'm not going to actually read that out. Made in China. Looks like it comes in a bunch of different colors. I got the black. Let's get it unboxed. Okay. Instruction manual right up top, or the quick start guide. 18th month warranty. That's pretty good. Oh, this is sealed off also. Oh, this is actually a hard plastic. Okay. Waterproof wireless earbuds. I didn't notice that being said about any of the others, so this might already have an advantage. That's a manual. Looks like the quick start guide. How to pair. And then this time, out of all 3, the earbuds are actually outside of the case. case here. Oh, so that's probably a lanyard I saw in the box for hooking this onto a keychain, which is actually pretty convenient. You got your charging case here. Right side goes here. So you see that powers up immediately, it's charging it. Left side goes there. Okay, a little indicator it's being charged. Nice little case, a little bit bigger than the other two. So you can see it's pretty much small, medium, and large. By far the biggest one. Oh, you can actually see the charging through the case. You see those indicator lights? That's cool, I like that. These two are solid, so you can't see anything through the case. And anything else in this box? Not there. The air tips are here. Charging cable, and that lanyard I was talking about. So this looks like the cable and the lanyard. This is actually pretty long. Guess you can set your own length here. Yep, it's adjustable clip right here. It's pretty long. Okay, deal with that later. Charging cable, again another micro USB. So that goes with this one. Oh, it looks like this case might be waterproof too. It's sealed off. Or water resistant at least. The charging port right there. Okay, time to test these out a little bit. I'll go in the same order. These are the T15s. The only ones in this, out of the three I have, that do not have the air tips. So pretty much Earbud style. So my use of these, I've used these for a couple of weeks off and on. These are pretty good. My problem is the fit. For me, my ear, I guess, openings, whatever you call them, are pretty small. So they fit, but they're kind of loose. But they honestly sound pretty good for what they are. So you get an idea of how they fit. They get pretty loud, they sound well, but as you can see, it's already slipping. I have to keep readjusting them. So for me, these are a problem. For a lot of people, they won't be. And these have a lot of nice touch controls too. You can double tap on it to pause, double tap to play. On the right side, if you press and hold, it'll go to the next track. If you press and hold the left side, it skips backwards, so it starts that track over. So I love the touch controls. There are controls for the calls also, same kind of touch controls, and you can look at it, you won't actually see the area where you have to touch, but it's pretty much just touch the top area right here and the touch controls happen. So these work pretty well. Good sound, nice treble, nice bass, nice mids. For the price, I was actually surprised how well these sound and how good they actually connect to my phone pretty easy. And yeah, these are definitely a good value for what they are. The battery life so far has been good. I have not managed to actually kill these off. Like I said, I've had them for a couple of weeks. They're still on the initial charge. I have not charged the case or anything as yet. So whatever charge the case has, whatever charge it came with, has still been going. I don't use them every day, so I can't say exactly how long they last, but for my use, for my casual, occasional use, they're pretty good. Okay, so now I'm testing out the T21s from Aukey. These came with different size air tips. As I mentioned, for me, the ones without the air tips don't fit that well for me, so I decided to try these. So these also have the similar style to the AirPods, except they have the air tips. I'm not sure if the AirPods Pro actually have these, I don't recall. But again, these are much cheaper than AirPods, which is why I bought them. I don't plan to use these on a daily basis, and I'm also not Apple user, which I think you get the most benefits out of AirPods from using an Apple from an iPhone or iPad and so on. But yeah, let's just see how these work. So these are actually already playing, they continue playing the music I was playing with the previous pair, the T15s. And already, before you can put them in, they're pretty loud. Let's see. So this is the left side. So that's in, pretty good seal. This is probably the medium, I believe. Air tip, small, and large. Again, of course, you decide what fits best for you. So these, yep, these definitely create a seal. So these again are pretty loud. I've got the volume there. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I'm probably talking a little bit louder right now just because it's so loud in my ear. So if I turn these up to the max, they're going to be pretty loud. These have similar touch controls from what I read in the manual. So again, double tap to pause. Actually, that did not work. Let's see. Maybe the touch area on this is a little bit different. Okay, so I had to go a little bit lower on these. Double tap to pause. Double tap to play. A long tap on the right side does the same thing, skips forward. Next track. Long press on the left side takes it back, so it starts the track over. And I think I forgot to mention in the previous pair, I believe triple tap does a voice assistant, so whether it's Siri or Google Assistant, or if you have Alexa set up on your phone, either one. So let's try that here. So triple tap on my phone brings up Google Assistant, as you can see. So the previous pair of the T15s is the same thing. So I suspect all of these have similar controls. And I'm actually hearing the search results in my ears right now. So you know, if you're familiar with Google Assistant, it does actually read out some of the results for you when you search with your voice. So I actually heard, it told me there were some search results. So if I want to continue the music, I'm pretty sure I can just double tap. Yep, and the music's playing again. So again, these sound pretty good. So for the price of these things, the sound quality is actually a lot better than I expected. Again, the touch point is just a little bit lower than the other ones. I have to get used to that. Again, no markings on where the touch points are, but the touch controls work well, just like the other one. So I'll put these back in the case now. And once again, last but not least, I'm testing out the T10 style wireless earbuds from Tozo. That's these. And I think in the previous section I forgot to show you the additional ear tips that come with these. So it's actually a lot. It's 3 extra sets, so it's kind of hard to show you these, but it's a bunch of them. It's they come with a small, medium, large, and extra large. So let's see if these actually pair the same way and start playing the music right away. So left and right. Now these are a different style of fit. These go sort of in your ear like this. So it's telling me it's connecting. So again, this is a snug fit. This is how it fits. So on my phone it is connected. It did not start playing like the last pair though, so I'll just hit play. Wow, the sound quality on these are even better, honestly. Or maybe it's just a fit, but this is certainly louder, very clear. Now let me test out the test controls. So these are not responding to the same sort of touch controls. Double tap isn't doing anything. A long press isn't doing anything either. So let me actually read the manual for a second. Okay, so after a quick read of the manual, I finally figured out the controls. These are not touch controls, they are like physical buttons. They click in, so you have to actually press them in. So, and the controls do seem limited so far. I didn't see any options for skipping the tracks, only for pausing. So one click, it pauses. One click again, plays. 2 clicks actually starts dialing the last number you called. And then while you're in that call, if you press it once, it will stop the call, it will end the call. but unfortunately I don't see any options for skipping the track or going back. If I tried triple clicking, and the 3 clicks don't do anything, unfortunately. And if you long press, it actually turns these off. So if I press and hold, I think for about 3 seconds. Yep, they turned off. So these are the most disappointing control-wise. I really like the option on the other two for skipping the track, either back or forward, and the voice assistant also. Those are really convenient options. So I actually was hoping that these would be the best just because I like this style so much more. They're different from the other style. Maybe I can find a pair like this that has those controls. And maybe I'll try that out and I'll show you guys as well. I have to say, for me, just based on the fit and the touch control options, I prefer the ones from Aukey. These right here. These are the T21s. Again, just to show you, these have the AirPod style, but with the air tips. Sound quality wise, honestly, these have been the best, the T10s from Tozo. They are definitely the loudest so far, and they're very clear. I like how small they are, but with the controls being limited to just pause, play, and starting and ending calls, I don't think I will go with these if I had to pick one. I think I'll go with the Aukeys. So that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of these 3 different styles of earbuds. So thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment, ask me any questions you may have, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed.